Yo, 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 yo.
I heard the sound of a mechanism.
Alright, das war's schon.
Strange way of protecting one's
Jetzt
safe.
der Code, der Code.
Triangulating one's hunting sites on a map.
Okay, was hatten wir? 1587. 1587. So? Oder wie? Wie machen wir das jetzt? Wie machen wir das jetzt? So.
These documents are very likely going to help me for the rest of the inquiry.
Ein Mann von Welt dieser Bounce. Ja. So ist es.
A dozen gold sovereigns. Some shares for the Southern Railway and some treasury bills. This is not worth much. Hardly enough to justify your robbery. Charlotte Clark, Comside, Churston, Devon. To Mr. Franklin Clark, Peninsula Hotel, Salisbury Road, Chim Sha Tsui, Kowloon, Hong Kong, Comside, 1935, January 1st. I wish you with all my heart a happy year 1935. Writing my greeting cards, I have affectionate thoughts for you. Always smiling as a child, sailing to distant countries and bringing back to us trunks full of wonder.
Wunderwerk.
At home, everything annoys me. Starting with this young Thora Sir Carmichael is so fond of. I have nobody to share my feelings with, so I write to you. How can I tell you what happens to me? The simplest way the better. I am doomed. I still have 1 year to live, no more. How do I know? I opened the secret drawer of Carmichael and read a letter not addressed to me. In this letter, Dr. Logan tells my husband in the most direct way the truth he conceals from me. So, I know. But my husband doesn't know I know. Please don't tell him. And if he shares the truth with you, act as you are surprised.
The truth.
Carl will probably speak in his usual convoluted way, but I wanted to be the first to announce it to you. It does matter to me that you are aware of what happens in Comside. Warm regards, Charlotte.
Okay. Geht das jetzt immer so lange?
Sir Carmichael Clark, Comside, Churston, Devon. To Mr. Franklin Clark, Peninsula Hotel, Salisbury Road, Tsim Sha Tsui, Kowloon, Hong Kong, Comside, 1935, January the 12th. Dear Franklin, first, I wish you a good start to a successful new year. I have received your letter dated December 10th. Thanks for defending my interest against Wang, this robber. Things could have got pretty bad if you weren't a real cold-blooded guy. I envy you for that. Things go on here much as usual. Charlotte is moderately free from pain. I wish one could say more. You may remember Thora Gray. She is a dear girl and a greater comfort to me that I can tell you. I should not have known what to do through this bad time but for her. She has an exquisite taste and shares my passion for Chinese art. No daughter could be a closer or more sympathetic companion. Life has been difficult, but I am glad to feel that here she has a home and true affection. You wrote me you want to stay in China for 1 more year or even longer. I don't object. The longer you stay, the more opportunities you will have to increase our collection. Nonetheless, you should know that we miss you here, and that Charlotte will be gone by the time you come back. I am, dear Franklin, your truly affectionate brother.
Brother. Alright, das letzte.
College School Year, 1912-1913. Franklin Clark. School report for Franklin Clark. According to his teachers, Franklin was a good student, but lacked discipline.
Wir haben Infos, dass es knallt. Infos, dass es knallt. Gut.
Where is the horrible smell of cayenne coming from?
Hat er den Hut her? Hut auf vorhin schon? Nicht, oder? Shit. Smell.
Something makes me feel uncomfortable.
Something.
Brown pellets. Revolting. Brown
Widerlich.
pellets. Revolting. Tut-tut. The gardener does not follow the alignment. There, that's better. It is symmetrical.
Wie ein Monk, hä?
There, that's better. It is symmetrical.
Okay,
So, bitches.
gehen wir nach unten. Ist das hier?
I would like to congratulate Clark's gardener. What symmetry.
Das gefällt ihm natürlich.
This wisteria is in full bloom.
Holy Bloom.
This fountain makes a very relaxing sound.
Da oben, der Busch fehlt, ja? Da fehlte ein Busch in dem Pflanzenkasten. Das stimmt. Das ist das der.
It was probably the gardener who lit this fire.
Warum hat er denn den Busch
Look
angezündet?
here. I wonder if someone wanted to get rid of these papers. This subject would probably be
Panama
useful to-
Papers.
Let us now try and get our brain cells to work.
Brannte Dokumente, okay, okay. Warum hat Thora persönliche Gegenstände in Campsite gelassen? Warum wohl? Schenken. Was? Schenken hinterlassen. Okay. Warum hat sie persönliche Gegenstände in... Ja, sie wollte doch die Geschenke... Dingens, die wollte die halt nicht mehr, ne? Oder? Hat Carmichaels Geschenken hinterlassen? Auch falsch, oder? Okay, Chat. Helf mir mal. Warum hat Thora persönliche Gegenstände in Campsite gelassen? Warum? Warum? Check's echt nicht. Check's nicht. 1, 2 und 4. Okay, wir haben Beweismaterial. Thora hat Carmichaels Geschenke hinterlassen. Beantwortet ja irgendwie die Frage nicht. Okay, dann haben wir Beobachtung. Carmichael hat an Franklin geschrieben, um ihm mitzuteilen, dass er Thora charmant fand. Okay. Thora Gray ist eine Expertin auf dem Gebiet der Kunst. Ja. Thora hat einen Brief hinterlassen. Thora Gray ist geblieben. Carmichaels Geschäft ist erledigt. Fehlt ein Dolch. Carmichaels Vitrine. Hey, ganz ehrlich? Kein Plan. Ich habe keinen Plan. Ich hätte jetzt das genommen, aber irgendwie, ne? Ich bin Chat, ich bin überfragt. Helf mir mal jetzt. Warum? offenen Fragen beantworten. Ich kann hier noch... Ah.
May you have peace, Carmichael. Charlotte.
Ja, okay. Jetzt nicht viel. Okay. Müssen halt. 3, 5 und 6. 3, 5 und 6. Ich will erst wissen. Wer hat den Kunst? Hätte eben das gesagt. Shit, Mann. Hey. Versteht ihr das? Ich check's eben nicht. Also. Geschenke, okay? Die hat Geschenke da gelassen. Ja.
Everything that Thorgray has left behind comes from Sir Carmichael's collection. He most probably gave them to her. But she chose to leave them here rather than run the risk of being accused of theft. It is understandable when you know just how much Lady Clark mistrusted her. Let us now try and get our brain cells to work.
Ja, ich denke eben auch, dass die Übersetzung halt nicht hundertprozentig gelungen ist. Nur schon beim einen Satz war ja schon ein Fehler drin. Kann dann eben ein bisschen schwierig werden. So. Ist Tora eine Giftmischein? Rattengift. Jesus. Also, für mich, ich sehe da keine Logik hinter dem Ganzen irgendwie. Checkt ihr das? Ich check's gerade echt nicht. Was soll ich denn damit tun? Gott.
Thorgray had no reason to kill someone who only had few months left to live. The poison she ordered was for rats. The gardener must have made good use of it, considering the stinking remains on the path, not far from the property. I've finished here. I must put the skeleton key back and inform Hastings that I'm returning to London.
Hastings anrufen. Die Vermutungen von der Oma sind ja nur Vermutungen, aber keine Indizien. Ja, das stimmt. Das stimmt. Musste einfach, hat das Rattengift, die Ratte, deswegen hat die ja Gift bestellt, wegen der Ratte. Was war denn eigentlich mit dem hier?
I've finished with this subject. April 1925, Aceh province. Perfect. Nothing else is keeping me here.
Gut.
If someone has tried to get rid of these documents, they may be important.
Können wir die noch irgendwie Vielleicht zusammensetzen? Kann nicht. Kann nicht. Vielleicht zu Hause. Vielleicht zu Hause erst.
I am not going to leave campsite now.
Basteln!
I still have some things to do.
Kann man. Was?
I am not going to leave campsite now. I still have some things to do.
Hä?
Best to leave her to sleep now.
Hä? Er hat doch gerade eben gesagt, es hält ihn nichts mehr hier. Soll ich vielleicht noch aufräumen hier? Hä? Ah, ich muss ihn an. Den Typ. Muss telefonieren, ja. Hab's halt schon wieder vergessen.
Hello, Hastings? I have finished in Churston. I will take the first train. Tell me, do you know how to restore writing on a burnt document?
Yes, you just have to soak a cloth with a hydrochloric acid solution and rub the sheet of paper. Then the characters appear.
Bien. You have been of great assistance, Hastings. Could you please order the solution as soon as possible?
Of course, but what documents do you want to read?
You will see, my friend. À ce soir.